What's up guys, today I'm going to be doing a video of the disassembly and reassembly of the Beretta a400 Xtreme Plus. What you'll need in this video is these two pieces that come in the gun case. This take your choke out, and this take your plugs and spring. Get to them. You're going to also need a punch and a hammer or a mallet to tap that punch through. First thing you're going to start off, make sure the gun is unloaded. Okay. You're going to get this knob, just twist it off, put that to the side, pull up on that. You're going to get your barrel, pull straight off. Okay. And what you're going to do with your barrel, you just stick your thumb in there, just pull out. Okay, and go ahead and take, we'll do that in a second. Alright, next thing you're going to do is you're going to depress just a little bit right before it starts turning. Right when it starts turning, you're going to pull on your charging handle. It's kind of tricky at sometimes, but you just pull straight out right when it starts to twist. Okay, and after that, you can pull this whole assembly out, put this off to the side. Okay, and now to take your trigger assembly out, you're going to get your punch and your hammer and just punch this pin right here. It's right above your safety. Just going to punch it right through. Okay. Alright, once that's out, you're going to put that to the side. Don't lose that because that's very important. It's small and easy to lose. You can get your trigger assembly and pull down and out. Okay, you're going to put that to the, put the trigger assembly to the side. Now we're going to go up to the top. Let's scoot back a little bit. Okay, what you do with this is you got these little tabs. You're going to line them on these little bitty, tabs. I'm going to press it down. You're going to depress all of them at the same time, and that's going to release it. And now watch out, because the spring is going to pop out. You just want to pull up on it, catch the spring, pull your little tool off. You can take your spring out, you can take your plug out, that little cap, and then you can just push through the little stopper. Okay. Now you're ready to put it back together. Drop him in. Get your spring. Drop your spring in. Now you want to put your plug in last. So you get this little piece and just stuff it all in there. Might be tricky, but you can get it. Just, oh, that hurt. Alright. That just hit me straight in the forehead. Don't do that. Alright. Push it in. Alright, now you can get your little piece. Line it up. And push it all in. Then you want to decompress these tabs while pushing down, and it'll slide right in. Then you're going to click them, and then you're going to drop your plug in. Okay. And once you got that done, you're going to get your trigger assembly. You're going to slide it. You got to get this little pin in this little hole right there. So you're going to slide it in first, and then you're going to slide a little tab in first, and then you'll push it down. So go at an angle and then push it down. And you want to get that pinhole lined up perfect. Okay, then you're going to get your pin, push it in there, make sure it's going to go in before you tap it in. Sometimes on mine at least you got to flip it over, and there it is. See, it got started a little bit. Now just tap it in. Alright, now that's in. You're going to get your slide it on in. Okay, that's in. You're going to get your little charging handle, decompress it till it about starts turning. When it's out, you can see that it just won't be a little metal piece there. You can slide it right in usually, and you'll feel it click. Mine just clicked. Now it's in there. Okay, I'm gonna get this little piece, slide it back in there. Just push it straight in. Click in. Then you wanna slide it straight back over. Just line it all up, kind of. Slide it in. Slide that on. And then you get your little end cap. And just line those little holes up. And twist. Now to take your, make sure it's obviously it's unloaded because I just took it apart. But then you want to get your choke and put your little piece on, twist it, and your choke will start coming out. And each time I clean my gun, I try to get this choke out, just because you need to oil it up, because if that choke seizes in there, that's not good. It'll be real hard to get out, and it's just easy to take it out. Mine's still oiled from last time. I cleaned it about 2 weeks ago or a week ago, but you just want to keep it oiled up, because that's the last thing you want to happen is that to seize up. And then you screw that back on. Alrighty, and then you're gonna get your choke tool and get real snug. And that is how you clean, or you take apart and reassemble the Beretta a400 Xtreme Plus. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.